right, we have our thumbs up. Drivers behind the line in 3, 2, 1, crescendo.
Everybody's moving and grooving on the field. Chop Chop with one note up, going for another one. We've got some notes going up on the Red Alliance as well. The scores are neck and neck as we get another note from the Red Alliance and another from Blue as Chop Chop tries to pick up another note in the middle of the field. Scores are very close, 29 Blue, 26 Red, so it's anybody's game. Chop Chop dropping off a note in the Blue Alliance amp. The Red Alliance looking to respond. 9943 playing some pretty intense defense on Airstrike. Chop Chop putting a note up into an amplified speaker. We'll see if they can capitalize on this amplification cycle as their partners try to play some defense against Airstrike. 166 making their way back across the field, placing a note into the amp. 157 doing the same. Red Alliance is amplified. Can Airstrike capitalize? They're lining up. Falls a little bit short. We'll see if they can make it before the end. 157 putting another note into the Blue Alliance amp. 166 lining up with the speaker as it's amplified. 157 coming back with another note, trying to capitalize on this amplification cycle. Can they do it? Yes, they can. Another note coming towards the Red Alliance amp from 1073. 166 responding in kind as 78 and 319 head towards their human player station, trying to get some more notes. Still facing heavy defense from the Aluminum Panthers. 157 placing a note into the Blue Alliance amp, or lining up. 166 lining up for the shot. It's up and into the Blue Alliance speaker. 157 seems to be a little bit jammed. 319 placing a note in the Red Alliance amp. Chop Chop picking up another note as 157 puts a note into the amp for Blue. Speaker is amplified, and 2 shots in for the Blue Alliance. We'll see if they can get any more before the end of this amplification cycle. 78 tossing a note to their partners. 319 as they line up with the amp. 1073 trying to pick up another note as 78 does the same. Still facing intense defense from the Aluminum Panthers. 78 tossing a note over to their partners as they start an amplification cycle. Big Bad Bob looking to get a few more points out of that speaker. Chop Chop putting a note into the amplified speaker as their human player starts throwing some high notes. We've got 10 seconds left. 2 robots up for Blue, 166 and 157. Will we see any red robots climb with 4 seconds left? 3, 2, 1. That is the end of the match. We will have your final scores in just a moment. All right, we've got your scores coming up on the board. The Blue Alliance takes the win with a score of 81 to 63. Those speaker points really making the difference in that match. We'll be back in just a moment.